Welcome to an exploration of the Gann wheel, a fascinating tool that blends mathematics with market analysis. The Gann wheel is more than just a chart. It's a method for uncovering key price levels and timing in financial markets. Traders use it to make sense of complex price movements, helping them spot opportunities and avoid pitfalls. By understanding the Gann wheel, you gain a new perspective on how numbers, geometry, and time cycles interact to influence market behavior. Let's begin our journey by uncovering the basics and why this tool remains relevant for traders seeking an edge. At its core, the Gann wheel merges number theory, geometry, and time cycles. This unique combination allows traders to identify price movements and market turning points with greater clarity. The intricate mathematical relationships and structured visualizations of the Gann wheel provide a roadmap for interpreting market trends. By studying these patterns, traders can anticipate shifts and make informed decisions. The Gann wheel's foundation is built on the belief that markets move in predictable cycles, and understanding these cycles is key to successful trading. Truly grasp the Gann wheel, it's important to visualize numbers arranged in a circle of 360 degrees. Expressions like 19 is 90 degrees up from 15 only make sense when you picture numbers enclosed within a circle. This visualization helps traders understand how price and time interact, with each degree representing a specific relationship. By embracing this terminology, you'll be able to follow discussions about angles, rotations, and how prices square with time. This is the language of the square of 9, a core part of Gann's methodology. Let's take the number 15 as our starting point. On the Gann wheel, 15 sits at 0 degrees. Move 90 degrees and you reach 19. At 180 degrees it's 23, and at 270 degrees it's 28. The number 34, positioned one ring outside the circle, is 360 degrees up from 15, one full rotation. This system allows traders to see how numbers relate to each other in cycles, providing a visual and mathematical way to track market movements. Understanding these degrees and rotations is essential for applying the Gann wheel in real trading scenarios. Gann wheel's magic lies in its use of square roots. For example, the square root of 15 is 3.87. If you add 2 to this and square the result, you get 34.49, almost exactly one full rotation up from 15. This mathematical trick shows how adding or subtracting a constant to the square root of a number, and then squaring it, can represent a 360-degree rotation on the square of 9. This insight helps traders quickly calculate key price levels and anticipate market cycles. Make these ideas more tangible. Visual representations of the Gann wheel are invaluable. Diagrams showing circles, degrees, and number placements help traders see the relationships at a glance. These visuals bridge the gap between abstract math and practical trading, making it easier to apply Gann's principles. By studying these images, you'll develop an intuitive sense for how the Gann wheel operates and how to use it in your own analysis. Understanding the terminology is crucial. Gann's system uses terms like degrees, angles, and rotations to describe price movements. For instance, a 45-degree angle known as the 1x1 angle is considered the most powerful, representing harmony between price and time. Gann believed that when price and time move together at this angle, the market is at its strongest. Mastering this language allows traders to communicate and analyze markets with precision. And angles are more than just lines on a chart. They act as dynamic support and resistance levels. The 1x1 angle or 45-degree line is especially significant. If prices stay above this line, the market is considered bullish. If they fall below, it signals a bearish trend. These angles help traders identify trend strength and potential reversals. By drawing Gann angles from significant highs or lows, you can map out key areas where the market may react. Each Gann angle provides unique insights. During an uptrend, the 1x1 angle offers major support. If the price breaks below this angle, it often signals a major reversal. Other angles, such as 2x1 or 1x2, provide additional layers of support and resistance. By understanding how these angles interact with price, traders can anticipate shifts in market direction and adjust their strategies accordingly. The mathematical backbone of the Gann wheel is its square root theory. By manipulating square roots and applying rotations, traders can predict price movements and identify critical turning points. This approach is grounded in the idea that prices move in square root relationships over time, allowing for more accurate forecasting and analysis. Adding or subtracting 2 to the square root of a number represents a 360-degree rotation on the Gann wheel. For example, the square root of 15 is 3.87. Add 2 and you get 5.87. Square this and you reach 34.49, which is one full rotation up from 15. This method allows traders to quickly calculate new price levels and anticipate where the market might turn next. And square root theory holds up in real-world examples. IBM's monthly closing low in June 1962 was 4.52. And its high in July 1999 was 125.69. This high is close to the square of the sum of the square root of the low plus 9. Similarly, GM's low of 15 in 1974 and high of 95 in 1999 align with the square root method. These cases show how Gann's theory can be applied to actual market data for powerful insights. One important consideration when using the Gann wheel is rounding errors. Since the square of 9 often ignores decimals, small inaccuracies can creep into calculations. These rounding errors may impact the precision of price and time relationships, so it's essential to be aware of them when analyzing market data. Understanding this limitation helps traders interpret results more accurately. Core formula for calculating movements on the Gann wheel is square root n plus factor 2. Here, n is the base number, and the factor is determined from the degrees to factor table. This formula allows traders to move up, down, or around the square of 9 by adjusting the factor. Mastering this calculation is essential for anyone looking to apply Gann's methods effectively. Converting degrees to factors is a vital skill for navigating the Gann wheel. The factor is the number added to or subtracted from the square root before squaring the result. For example, 45 degrees corresponds to a factor of 0.5, while 90 degrees is 1. This conversion table is core knowledge for traders, enabling them to calculate price movements and identify support or resistance levels with precision. Degrees to factor table provides the necessary factors for moving around the square of 9. Factors not listed can be derived by adding or subtracting values. For most market analysis, the main factors are those for 45 degrees and its multiples. This knowledge enables traders to navigate the Gann wheel efficiently and apply it to various market scenarios. Find the number that is 180 degrees up from 15. Use the formula square root 15 plus 1, 2. This results in approximately 23.75, demonstrating how the Gann wheel can be used to calculate crucial price movements. Understanding these calculations allows traders to identify resistance and support from major and minor pivot points across different time frames. Gann wheel divides the circle into quarters 90 degrees, eighths 45 degrees, and sixteenths 22.5 degrees. These divisions are not arbitrary, they often correspond to significant support and resistance levels in the market. By understanding how to divide the circle, traders can better anticipate where price reactions may occur and plan their trades accordingly. Gann wheel isn't just theoretical, it's a practical tool for traders. By combining price, time, and geometry, the Gann wheel helps identify critical turning points in the market. Traders use it to forecast potential reversals and enhance their strategies. Whether you're trading stocks, commodities, or currencies, the Gann wheel offers a structured approach to market analysis. By integrating time elements into the square root theory, traders can perform real-time analysis using simple tools like a calculator and pencil. This approach enhances the understanding of price movements and trends, making it easier to spot opportunities and manage risk. The combination of price and time is at the heart of Gann's philosophy. One of the most valuable uses of the Gann wheel is identifying market turning points. By analyzing highs and lows, traders can anticipate when a trend may reverse. This insight is crucial for timing entries and exits, maximizing profits and minimizing losses. The Gann wheel provides a systematic way to spot these pivotal moments in any market. Gann's approach emphasizes the harmony between price and time. When these two elements move together, especially at key angles like 45 degrees, the market is at its most powerful. By combining price and time analysis, traders can develop more robust strategies and gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics. With practice, traders can use the Gann wheel for real-time market analysis. By quickly calculating square roots, factors, and rotations, you can identify key price levels as the market moves. This agility gives traders a significant advantage, allowing them to react swiftly to changing conditions and capitalize on emerging trends. While the Gann wheel can be drawn by hand, many traders use digital tools and calculators to speed up the process. Software platforms often include Gann tools, making it easier to apply these methods to any chart. Whether you prefer manual calculations or digital aids, the principles remain the same. Precision and consistency are key. In using the Gann wheel, it's easy to overlook decimals or misapply factors. These small errors can lead to inaccurate predictions. Always double-check your calculations and ensure you're using the correct factors from the conversion table. Attention to detail will help you get the most out of Gann's powerful methods. The Gann wheel works well alongside other technical analysis tools. Combining it with indicators like moving averages or Fibonacci retracements can provide a more comprehensive view of the market. By integrating multiple methods, traders can confirm signals and increase their confidence in trading decisions. The principles of the Gann wheel apply to various markets, including stocks, commodities, and forex. No matter what you trade, the underlying mathematics and geometry remain consistent. This universality makes the Gann wheel a valuable addition to any trader's toolkit, offering insights across different asset classes. Build a strategy using the Gann wheel. Start by identifying significant highs and lows. Calculate key angles and rotations and use these to set support and resistance levels. Combine this analysis with other market indicators to refine your entries and exits. With practice, you'll develop a systematic approach that leverages the power of the Gann wheel. Mastery of the Gann wheel comes with time and practice. As you become more familiar with its concepts and calculations, you'll gain confidence in your ability to forecast market movements. Keep studying, practicing, and refining your approach, and the Gann wheel will become an indispensable part of your trading arsenal. Conclusion: the Gann wheel is a powerful tool for traders seeking to understand and anticipate market movements. By combining mathematics, geometry, and time analysis, it offers a structured approach to trading. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, mastering the Gann wheel can enhance your decision-making and lead to greater success in the markets.